Module 3. Connecting and flashing the STWIN.box board. In this module, we will connect the STWIN.box board to our PC. We will then update the firmware using the STM32Cube programmer application. To prepare for the next steps in the workshop, we will program the board with the high-speed data logging firmware found in the data log function pack. As described earlier, there are 3 push buttons on the top side of the board: User, Reset, and Power. The User button's functionality is dependent on the firmware running on the board. However, if held down at Power On, the STM32 will enter Device Firmware Update Mode, or DFU for short. DFU mode will allow you to update the firmware image via USB. If your board is connected to your PC, please disconnect it now. Connect the USB-C cable to your PC. Next, press and hold the User button on the STWIN.box board. While holding the User button, connect the other end of your USB cable to the STWIN.box. The USB cable provides power to the board, and with the User button held down at Power On, the STM32 will enter DFU mode. After you have plugged in the USB cable, you may release the User button. Let's switch over to our Windows PC. Open the STM32Cube programmer application. At the top right of the main window, click the blue button and select USB. Click the Refresh button. You should see the port box indicate USB 1 and a serial number displayed just below. Click the green Connect button. Click the eraser icon near the bottom left of the window to erase the device flash memory. When prompted, click OK to confirm that you wish to erase the flash memory. You should now see a message that the mass erase process has been completed. Click OK. Click the download icon near the top left of your screen. Next to the File Path box, click Browse. In the File Explorer window that appears, navigate to C:\STWIN.box Data Log Workshop. Open the Data Log 2 folder. Open Projects. Open the STWIN.box folder. Open Applications. Open the Data Log 2 folder. Open Binary. Select the Data Log 2 binary file. If you have a debug and release version in your folder, please choose the release version and click Open. Ensure the start address is set to 0x08000000. Click the Verify Programming checkbox. Click the blue Start Programming button. After a few moments, you should get a message that the board was programmed and verified successfully. Click OK to dismiss both messages. Close the Cube Programmer application. In this module, we activated DFU mode and updated the firmware on the board for use in the next module. This concludes Module 3.